Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore how to see your snoozed groups on Facebook using your PC. If you've ever snoozed a group and later wanted to revisit it, this guide will walk you through the steps quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will open up a list of options for managing various aspects of your Facebook account. Among these options, click on Content Preferences. This is where you'll find tools to manage what appears in your feed. Now, within the Content Preferences section, look for the Snooze option and click on it. This is where all the content you've temporarily muted is stored. Next, to filter out everything except the groups you've snoozed, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Right next to it, there's a drop-down menu. Click on this menu and choose Groups Only. This setting ensures that only snoozed groups will be displayed in the list below. And that's it. You'll now see all the groups you've snoozed in one place. From here, you can decide whether to leave them snoozed or unsnooze them if you're ready to start seeing their posts again. This simple process gives you full control over your Facebook feed, allowing you to manage your content preferences effortlessly. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.